channel. I'm Nishita and you're watching Namaste. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I am going to make this video an informational one. ये video होने वाला है is about universities here. अगर आप सोच रहे हो Ireland आना, आपको masters करना है Ireland में, then you should watch this video. You will get a glimpse of the universities here. Plus अगर आप confused हो between UK, Ireland or between two universities here, then maybe this video will help you out. आपको शायद decision लेने में help होगा. और अगर आपने अब तक आपका यूनिवर्सिटी देखा नहीं है, इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी बीन एक्सेप्टेड और आपको यूनिवर्सिटी देखना है कैसे दिखता है, देन दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू आउट टू. सो इफ यू कम अंडर एनी ऑफ दीज कैटेगरीज, दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द कैंपस टूर. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू बेसिकली द टॉप 3 यूनिवर्सिटीज कैंपस टूर, विच इज ट्रिनिटी University College Dublin and Dublin City University, which is my university. तो ये video is going to be specifically for Dublin. I also plan to do other videos about other important universities all over Ireland, but वो आगे बताऊंगी. This is for Dublin. और if you have any questions, then please do let me know in this video. I know some of you have contacted me on LinkedIn, on Instagram too, about your education, कि आपको admission मिल चुका है in a few colleges here and universities here, and you guys are still deciding whether or not to come here or not. So I hope this video will clear some of your doubts. और मैं वो questions भी address करूँगी अगले video में, because in this video there's not enough time. And plus if you have anything else, then please do comment below, or you can also ping me directly on Instagram or send me an email, or you can also contact me on LinkedIn. You can find me there. So go ahead guys, watch this video till the end, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Chalo, let's go. So we are outside Trinity College Dublin, which is TCD, and it is one of the most prestigious universities in Ireland. Actually, not only Ireland, it is in par with universities like Oxford, Cambridge. So basically, if you graduate from Trinity College Dublin, you have the level of graduating from Oxford or from Cambridge, those kind of universities. It is one of the oldest universities. I think it was founded in around 1592, which is amazing, and obviously you must have heard a lot about it. This is the topmost universities here. One of the most elite universities, not only in Ireland but in all of Europe. Trinity College is ranked the 43rd university in the world, and it has an alumni of one of the most amazing poets and writers like Oscar Wilde and Bram Stoker. I'm pretty sure you've heard about them. The intake here, or the admission procedure here, is purely based on academics. So you need to be one of the top scholars, you need to have amazing grades, you need to have good references, strong references, and a good work experience that you can show. One of the most renowned things that it has, that is the library. The library has a whopping 7 million books. I think that is even more than the population here in Ireland. Find books on history, mathematics, arts, science, everything that you need. And there is also a myth that the Harry Potter movie was shot here. Actually, no, it wasn't shot here, but which you see the long hall in the Harry Potter library that you see in the movie is very much similar to what they have in there. It might have been inspired, the look and the feel might have been inspired a little from this university, but it was shot somewhere in England, I'm not sure where. Unfortunately, it is closed for visitors now, especially because of the Christmas break. You can't go inside and see the whole university, but we can give you a view from the outside, and it is completely out of stone. It has that that ancient look in it, which is so impressive. So come on, let's go and take a look of the university from the outside. have reached the second most prestigious university in Ireland, which is University College Dublin. So guys, here we are in the second largest university in Ireland, which is University College Dublin. This is located a little away from the city because it has a wide range of educational institutions here. It has connections with one of the biggest universities all around the world. They have huge laboratories, deeply involved in the field of medicine, but also most importantly, it is one of the best universities where you could study data analytics, which I think a lot of Indians are preferring these days. So I think this is the main entrance. I haven't been here before. This is my first time here, and also this is one of the oldest universities after Trinity, somewhere around 1854, I think. Right in the center of their campus, they have their own lake. UCD alumni are known to have fought in the Irish War of Independence. Along with being academically proclaimed so much, UCD has a lot of notable structures that we just showed you. The pictures that they have taken, they have iconic structures like the Water Tower, which was, I think, built in around 1972. Let me tell you that I had an offer from UCD, but I was on the waiting list, and unfortunately nobody rejected their offer. And I also received an offer from DCU at the same time, and I decided to take that up. But no regrets, UCD and DCU both are amazing universities. So guys, let's move on to the tour of Dublin City University right here. In this video, I'll be providing short descriptions of the most important places here. But if you guys want a detailed video about this university, do let me know in the comment section, or you can always DM me on Instagram or send me an email on the email ID that I've provided. The only reason I can give you such a detailed explanation about this amazing university is because I studied here. I did my master's in data analytics from Dublin City University, and I can answer almost all of your questions that you might be having right from application process up until your graduation. So do send me all of your questions, and I'll try to curate one single video about this university. And come on, let's start with my university's tour. This that you can see behind me is the main building, which is called Stokes Building here. classes would take place in any of these buildings right here.
बता ना कौन से yes.
Anyway, here right up till the end over there. There is so much that I can share with you guys about Dublin City University that it definitely deserves a separate video. So guys, I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. I have already mentioned before, I have done my masters from DCU. तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं DCU के बारे में एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाऊँ, then please do let me know. I will be happy to do that too. So other than that, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I do plan to make more videos like this, जो यहाँ पे आने वाले students को help करेगा. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe करना मत भूलना. And as always, take care of yourself and don't forget to keep slaying.